Right now, while you watch this, your mind is a walled city. And it's under attack. The average worker gets interrupted every 2 minutes. About 275 times a day. About 20 years ago, we could hold focus on a screen for 2.5 minutes. Today, 47 seconds. You're not weak. You're a fortress nobody taught to defend itself. 1900 years ago, a worn-out Roman emperor woke in a war tent and couldn't make himself get up either, same as you did today. So he wrote himself a defense manual. In the next few minutes, I'll hand you his 5 walls, in order, each checked against a lab. The last verdict is the honest one, including where it doesn't hold. Your first wall is 60 seconds away. Marcus Aurelius wrote these notes in a private journal, never meant to be read. The Greek title just means to himself. He ran the empire through a plague that killed an estimated 5 million people, or more. By the ancient accounts, he sold off the palace treasures rather than tax a broken people. And of his roughly 13 children, only one son outlived him. Not a marble hero, a tired man who left the light on for himself. Your notifications are not his frontier. One of these 5 walls almost nobody builds. It's the reason the other 4 collapse. 2 quick honesties first. 1. Marcus never called these 5 walls. That map is mine, to make it stick. But every tactic is his own words, and I'll show you the exact lines. 2. You've heard it takes 23 minutes to refocus after a distraction. That number is fake, from an old interview misread for years. I won't start you off with a lie. So here's what's real. Build your 5-wall fortress, outer wall first. Wall 1. The outer wall. Draw your line. The oldest Stoic move, split your world in 2. Mine, my actions, and my judgments. Not mine, everything else. Defend only what's mine. Picture James Stockdale, a Navy pilot shot down over Vietnam. As his parachute drifted toward capture, he told himself, I am leaving the world of technology and entering the world of Epictetus. 7.5 years a prisoner, 4 of them alone in a cell. They owned his body. They never touched his will. Does it hold up? Feeling that outside forces run your life is linked with more burnout. Linked, not proven. They go together, but the lab can't prove one causes the other. The next wall you build before your feet hit the floor. The watchtower. See it coming. Every morning, Marcus braced himself. In his own words, begin the morning by saying to thyself, I shall meet with the busybody, the ungrateful, arrogant. Because he expected the hassle, it couldn't ambush him. Your version? Expect the rude comment, the doom headline, the text left unread. Preload them, and they lose their sting. Does it hold up? Yes. For anxious people, planning for what might go wrong beats trying to relax. And notice, even the Emperor of Rome didn't want to get out of bed. The most powerful man alive, hitting snooze on the empire. Here's the wall you rebuild 50 times a day without noticing. The gate. Check what you let in. Marcus's rule. Add nothing thyself from within. They left me on red, is the fact. They hate me, I'm worthless, is the story you bolted on. Catch the story, and most of the pain never spawns. General James Mattis carried a battered copy of Marcus across his combat tours. Modern Marine, Roman Emperor, same gate. Now the test. It holds hard. Reframing a bad moment beats bottling it up. The founders of modern cognitive therapy credited the Stoics by name. Wall 4, the keep, the room they can't reach. This is the heart of the whole fort. Marcus wrote that a mind free from passions is a citadel, and they're inexpugnable. A fort that cannot be taken. An earlier translation, 200 years before, reaches for the same image. A stronger place, impregnable. Two translators, 2 centuries apart, same fortress. The words are his, not mine. He called it retiring into yourself, a quiet room you carry anywhere. And his signature move, he wrote the whole journal to himself in the second person. Talk to yourself by name. Does that hold up? It holds strongly. In 7 studies of nearly 600 people, saying your own name, or you instead of I, made people calmer under stress. This is the wall almost nobody builds because it feels like doing nothing. It's the whole point. The other 4 only exist to guard this one room. You've got the room they can't reach. The last wall does the opposite. It opens a window. The high window, zoom out. The deliberate final move, a lookout on the roof. Marcus pictured the view from far above. Puppets pulled by strings, all alike. Climb up there, and the thing crushing you shrinks to its true size. It only felt huge because it was 2 inches from your face on a phone. Funny how the crisis that owned your whole morning turns out to be the size of a thumbnail. So real or vibes? Real. Stepping back from a painful moment lowers your body's real stress response. One honest note. The view from above is a modern scholar's name. The passage itself is pure Marcus. So there's your fort, 5 walls in order. 4 hold up in the lab, 1 is linked. For 2,000-year-old notes, that's a stunning score. And these are only the walls we had time to build. Marcus named more, the over-curious feeling that pulls your thumb to refresh. How the soul is dyed by the thoughts. How much trouble you avoid by not watching what your neighbor says or does. That's more than one video can hold, which is the point. This is a manual, not a quote. I promised you the honest verdict. Here it is. There is no proper controlled trial of Stoicism. None. The best study we have looked at 8,000 people across 116 countries. Stoics tend to be more satisfied and more resilient. Even they say, tend. Correlation, not proof. And I love this stuff, so this is hard to say. The internet turned Marcus into feel nothing, become untouchable, grind harder. That version will burn you out worse, not better. Marcus wasn't numb. He was a soft-hearted, sick, grieving man who buried most of his children and let himself feel it, then chose what to do next. Untouchable is a bad goal. The real one is smaller. Stop being yanked around. A fortress isn't a therapist. If you're drowning, get real help. And sometimes the honest fix isn't a stronger wall at all. It's that the job is broken and the brave move is to leave. You were handed a city with no walls and told to survive a siege the Romans could never have imagined. Now you've got the manual. Your 5-wall fortress. 5 walls in order, and you watched 4 of them survive a lab. When the next 2-minute interruption hits, you'll know exactly which wall just took it. If your outer wall is the one that keeps falling, if other people run your day, that's the wall we only cracked open today. Next time, I'll show you how one Navy pilot actually did it, how he used that single wall to walk out of 7.5 years of captivity unbroken. The outer wall, all the way down. Subscribe, and I'll build it with you.